Welcome to email writing, greetings, dear, hello, hi. In this lesson, we learn how to start emails correctly using formal and informal greetings. The right greeting shows respect and sets the proper tone for your message. Greetings matter because they set the tone of your email. A proper greeting shows respect and professionalism to the reader. Different greetings work for different situations, formal for business, informal for friends. Formal greetings use dear with titles like Mr., Miss, or Doctor, perfect for professional situations. Informal greetings use hello or hi with first names, best for friends and close colleagues. Choose based on your relationship with the recipient. Dear is the standard formal greeting in English emails. Use Dear Mr. Smith, Dear Miss Johnson, Dear Dr. Patel. Always follow dear with a title and last name, then a comma. This shows respect in professional communication. Always use titles with dear, like Mr., Miss, Mrs., Doctor, Professor. Never use just a first name after dear. Always use a comma after dear greetings, never a colon in modern English email writing. Hello and hi are friendly informal greetings. Use hello Sarah, hi John, hello team. These work with first names or group names. Always add a comma after informal greetings just like formal ones. Use a comma after all greetings, both formal and informal. Capitalize the first letter of every greeting. Dear team with capital D, never lowercase dear team. These rules apply to all email greetings. Quick reference, formal use Dear Mr. Smith, Dear Miss Johnson, Dear Dr. Patel. Informal use hello Sarah, hi John, hello team. Choose formal for work, informal for friends, always use comma and proper capitalization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.